In this video I will show you how to one name on Facebook. Before starting with this video, remember that if this tutorial works for you, you can leave me a like and subscribe. Now if we start with the video, the first thing we will do is be on the main Facebook page. We will select the 3 lines that are at the top, and then we will go down a little until we select settings and privacy. You will display these options, and now we will select the first one. In this section, just click on Account Center, and in this other window select Profiles. Here we will choose the profile to which we want to change the name. Then we will select the first option that says Name. Here we will select our last name and delete it. Now we will leave 2 spaces in our last name, and we will leave Facebook. We will enter the Play Store and look for VPN Indonesia. We install it and then open it. We close this announcement, and this window will appear where we will focus on changing the server. We will choose Indonesia Jakarta, wait for the announcement to end, and then close it. Now we will hit the blue button to connect to the network, and once it connects, we will leave the app. We go back to Facebook, where we had left it before, and now we save the change by pressing the blue button. And as you can see, we already have only one name on Facebook. I want to clarify that once we finish this process, we can disconnect the VPN, and absolutely nothing happens. Just as if you have a problem with this method, you can let me know in the comments, and I will gladly answer all your questions. Remember that if this tutorial works for you, you can leave me a like, and above all subscribe. My name is AngCD7U7X Tutorials. See you until the next video.
Thank you.